I wanted to show you a couple of kind of cool things to do just that are sort of fun. This is a Tillandsia, and you can mount this on a piece of driftwood. This I just got from the river.
Okay.
And you just use liquid nails, just regular old liquid nails, and you can put it on there. Now, I think that looks a little odd. It doesn't look like nature to me.
Yeah.
So what I do is glue a little bit of moss on there just to give it a grounding. So I would put a little bit more there, drill a hole. I forgot to tell you, drill your hole first, because it's a lot easier before the plant's on there to drill your hole. Then you can just hang this under a tree someplace and just hit it with your water wand when you're watering the rest of your plants. I have quite a few of these.
Okay. Nice.
And they look really nice. Bromeliads are big flowering, and they're beautiful. They have gorgeous flowers on them. A lot of foliage is red too. And you can put those on large pieces of driftwood, and you can mount them with a piece of screen. And you just basically put your large plant there, put a big piece of screen around it with some moss, just to keep a little bit of moisture on it, and then you can use a staple gun to staple that.
Okay.
And eventually this will just the moss will sort of cover it up, and it'll fade away, and just leave it outdoors all summer long. And then you can either take a pup off the plant in the fall, or just let frost get it.